This StudyByte is a production of Glens Falls City School District. Please visit us online at gfsd.org.
Welcome to the world of the mysterious sewing machine. Today in the StudyByte, I'm going to take all the mystery out of it for you and tell you all the different parts and how you're going to get threading it up so that you're going to be successful in your sewing career. First of all, you have a spool pin. The spool pin just swivels over to the top, right and back, forth. A spool of thread is going to be going onto that. You also have a hand wheel. The hand wheel gets turned towards you. While your hand wheel is moving towards you, you'll notice over in this part of the sewing machine, the take-up lever is moving and the needle are moving. Next thing that you're going to be seeing are thread guides. There's one here, one here, one here. You have a tension dial. The tension dial should be set on auto, and this tells you whether you're going to be making tighter stitches or looser stitches. The right-hand knob is called your stitch length regulator or your stitch length dial. This can get changed from larger stitches to smaller stitches. For most of our stitching, we want to have it set between numbers 2 and 3. We also call this 2.5. The pattern selector dial tells the machine the kind of stitches that it's going to be making. We're going to be doing straight stitching, so what we want to do is make sure that our dial is set with the 3 dotted lines straight up. On the right-hand side, you also have your reverse lever. This you use for a technique called back stitching. You hold it down, the machine stitches backwards. It does not take the stitches out. You have to do that by hand if you make a mistake. On the right-hand side, we have several other parts. This is called a throat plate. Here you have a slide plate, a presser foot, and we're going to be using those when we thread up our machine next.